Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a business flyer. We're going to be learning how I created this beautiful flyer. In this video, you're also going to be learning how to add a smoky effect on food when creating a food flyer, and also how to make use of the draw icon on Pixellab. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is how I create visuals. I give design tips and tutorials on Pixellab. Let's get started. So the first step is to open your Pixellab. So we're going to delete that text. Then I'm going to select a white background. So we're going to be using a white background. Then I'm going to click on import and bring in this texture. So I don't want the background to just be plain white. So I'm adding this texture. You can see now I'm going to change the color. You can see the color. So I'm going to change the color to gray. I don't want the background to just be plain white. So that's why I added this texture to it. So we're going to lock it. Yes, we're going to lock it. Then we're going to select a text and go to import. Then we bring in this. So now I'm just going to adjust this to the right position. I'm going to click on shape and change the color of this shape to red. I'm going to send it to the back. After adjusting it, I'm going to send it to the back. I'm going to click on this icon to send it to the back. Then I'm going to adjust it so we can see. So now I'm just trying to adjust this to make sure it is at the right position. So the next step is to lock all of this so they won't be moving about. So I'm adjusting the shape that we sent to the back to also place it at the right position. I'm going to lock it as well too. So we're bringing in another image. So yeah, this is the image we're going to be using. So I'm going to go to erase color to increase the tolerance. So I'm increasing the tolerance. Then I'm going to go to 3D rotate and rotate it. So we are going to place it here. So this is where we're going to place it. Then I'm going to lock it. So the next step, we are bringing in another image. So this is the next image we're going to be using. I'm going to crop it out, then go to erase color to erase the white background. So I'm going to increase the tolerance, then I'm going to lock it as well. So for our text, we're going to edit this text and put in Friday sales. So I'm going to go to the font. So for this, I'm going to be using this font for it. So I'm going to go to the color. I'm going to change it to this color too. Then increase the size. I'm going to select another text to put in our sub caption. So now I'm going to change the color to black, then change the font to I'm going to reduce the size and place it at the right position. So now I'm going to bold it because I want some places to stand out. So for the order a bowl, I want to bold it as I'm doing this way. I'm going to also bold that side, that 20% discount side too as well. So that those two is going to stand out for people to be able to see it clearly. It's going to grab people's attention. So I'm going to lock it. So for this shape, I'm going to reduce it and place it here. For the next step, we're going to import another image. So this image right here, we're going to go to erase color. Then we're going to erase the color. So now there's kind of a problem. You can see that there's a transparent, so the now is actually transparent. So to deal with that, we're going to select on shape. So I'm going to put the shape on where that now is. So you can see and see. So I'm going to do this way, then I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm trying to increase the tolerance. Then click on this place and send that shape to the back of now, so you can see that it's no longer transparent. So now I'm going to merge the two together. So yes, you can see now. So you can see like it's already merged together. And now it's no longer transparent. So you can always do this for whenever you are trying to design. You can always do something like this whenever you notice this type of thing. So the next step is to bring in another shape. You can see I'm increasing the radius. So I'm just going to put it where we want to make sure it is at the right place. So we want it to be here. So I'm going to go to centralize it, erasive sides, to centralize it. I'm going to change the color to this color. So just to make sure the color rhymes very well. So that's why I'm using red again. This is our text, so we're going to be putting in the contact. So for this color, for this text, I'm going to be using the color white. So why I'm using this color is because I want it to come out on the shape. So that's why I'm using white. So I'm going to change the font and then reduce the size. So now I'm going to click on this shape. So I noticed that the red is coming out so much, so I'm going to reduce the opacity. So I'm reducing this opacity because I want that text on it to come out even more. So that's why I did this. So now we're going to click on import and then bring in our next image. So this is our next image. If you notice, so we're going to bring out this logo. So I'm doing this particular technique just in case we are faced with this type of situation. You can just crop out the logo from an already finished design, then erase the background, increase the tolerance. So if you feel like, okay, this logo is not coming out well, so I'm going to teach you how you can also make it to pop out even still. So you can just go to this icon, then you can just increase the hue and you just see the clarity, brightness to make the logo come out even more. So that was what I did here. So I'm just adjusting all of this to make sure everything is in the right position. So if you notice when we started this video, I said I was going to be teaching you how to use that draw icon. So I'm going to get there soon. I'm going to be teaching you how to use the draw icon on Pixellab. So the icon is this. So after I'm done with this, after I'm done adjusting, we're just going to go into it straight. So if you remember, I said when we started this video I was going to teach you how to use the draw icon. So this is how to use it. You just have to draw whatever you want to draw it out. So this was how I got this. So after doing this, I'm going to change the color. So you can get this type of stuff in draw icon. You can just draw it out instead of downloading it. So you understand, you can just draw it out with the draw icon. Then you can change the color and put it in your design. So now I'm just going to be adjusting all of this. Then we go to the next phase. So now we're going to save our flyer, and don't forget, always save your flyer as ultra. So we're going to, after this, we're going to go to Picsart. Remember that I said I was going to teach you how to use the smoke effect. So this smoke effect, you can use it whenever you are designing a food flyer. So now I'm going to select our flyer once we get to Picsart. So we're going to select the flyer here. So after selecting, we're going to go to add photo option. So I'm going to select it here and click on add. So after bringing it in, I'm going to crop it out first. You can see that there's this white space there, so I'm going to crop it out first. Then I'm going to go to blend and click on screen. So we're going to reduce the size. So always make sure that wherever you want to put the smoke effect, you can just, it has to be at the right position. You can't just put it anywhere. So you can see where I've placed it. It's already given that the food is actually very small. Do you understand? So you have to put it always at the right place. So now I'm going to save and go to Snapseed. So we are going to Snapseed because we want to edit the image. So I'm not going to do much of editing. I'm just going to click on curve, and that's all. So now we're going to save, and then we are done. So this is our flyer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I give design tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to like and comment on this post. See you in my next video. Bye guys.